Hello there and congratulations on finishing the course and making it to our very special bonus lecture. You get an e-gold star. Thank you so much for enrolling in our course and making it all the way to the end here. We want to share with you information about some of the other educational resources that we have built. Since you've taken this course, we would love to see you in many of our other courses, and we want to give you the absolute best value and create an awesome win-win-win situation. You get smarter, our courses get better, we sell more courses. It's a win-win-win. Here are all the courses that we have published so far, and more are being worked on as we speak. Well, I speak and you listen. We also have a website, www.tetratutorials.com, where we publish these courses. In the coming months, you can expect this list of courses to grow and multiply in numbers. One thing that we can guarantee is that we will strive to bring you the most useful and relevant information in all of these courses. Taking one of these courses will improve your life, be it a better job or getting a promotion or gaining a much needed skill set to launch your next idea. As lifelong learners ourselves, we know that as a student, if you enjoyed working with a group of instructors and really benefited from taking one of their courses, chances are that you will really enjoy taking another one of their courses. Think of it as watching another episode of your favorite web series. And since you've already done that with one of our courses, we would like to share more information and knowledge with you. Like I said, we're geeks and we love sharing knowledge. We want you to really feel good about enrolling in another one of our courses, and to help you along and show you our appreciation for you being you, we are extending this special discount to you. You can use this coupon on your screen for any of our courses and get an exclusive deep discount. Here on our website, you can find all the relevant links to our social media channels, as YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, and so on. And we also have a blog here where we share relevant information. So please check that out as well. While you're here, please sign up for our newsletter as well. We regularly send updates about our courses, industry news, and sometimes special discount coupons in the newsletters. So it's a great way to stay in touch with us. One more thing. We would really appreciate it if you could provide us with honest feedback and leave a review for this course. Good or bad, we will love to hear from our current students and continue to improve our content based on the feedback. This not only helps us, but also all the other students like you who are looking for similar content. So by leaving feedback, you are making the world a better place. We are really looking forward to hearing from you and to continue to serve you. Thanks a lot for taking this course and watching this video.